Hey there, if you're looking for a really high power, ultra durable charging cable, you got to check this one out. This is made by MFish. Now they did gift this to me. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. It comes in this really nice carrying case. If you have USB-A, no problem. But what if your cube is USB-C like this? Well, you just pull this out. Look at this. It folds down. There's a USB-C hidden under there. So no matter what you got going on with your charging cube, you're going to be able to use this. It splits off right here, and you're going to have two USB-C charging cables. In addition, each charging cable comes with its own LED screen. Let me show you. And there you have it. Now it's going to be backwards on your screen. But right now, this is a dead battery. We're putting out 4 watts, 5 watts, 7 watts, 9 watts. Okay, we're going up to 11 watts. Now, this cable will support up to 140 watts. That all depends on the output of your charging cube, right? So if you don't have a charging cube that's going to output that, then don't expect the cable to output that. You can charge 2 devices at the same time. They both have that little LED screen on there. This cable has been put through a rigorous test. 30,000 bends like this, 30,000 times before that connection broke. If you've ever gotten cables before from the regular store or the pharmacy or even sometimes online, you know that they can break really in a matter of days. If you just bump them the wrong way, that connection breaks and they become useless. So that is a big bonus to this, is you're getting that durability and you're getting that screen. So you're going to be able to tell and know how much wattage you're outputting. So we're just going to wind this up. It does come with this built-in clasp right here. Then pop it in the case. It fits nicely in the case. It's going to give you high wattage output up to 140 watts, and it's super durable. This is the one you got to try out. Check it out. That is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.